Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, so that you always be the first person to watch all the videos that I always upload for you every week. So today, we are going to work together, and I'm going to be more detailed for you to learn this method. I'm very sorry I have flu, but I guess that you will hear what I'm trying to explain. And yes, I was trying to say that I really want to give you these videos detailed so that you can learn this beautiful method of the inward knotless braiding. Others, they call it under braiding, and of course this is how it looks. So if you learn how to do this, trust me, it is going to be a very perfect method that you will always have to do, and your braids will last longer. So I'm going to show you here how you're supposed to do it by separating this into three, and this goes this side like this, and then you start doing the braiding. And when you're braiding, you have to make sure you're so gentle enough, like you don't apply the tension. And again, as you're braiding, you'll find even if you try to look at my hands are very like I'm doing it very gentle, but when you look at it, it is firm. Okay, so that is the good thing about this method. Even if you don't have the gel, it will always look firm. I'm really sorry that I have flu. Yes, but this is how we do it. I hope you can hear what I'm saying. Yes, because my breath is not really that nice. And after I try tight here, and this one I do it according to how I've leveled it. Okay, so we just roll going upwards, and then we see how this is going to look like. So we chose this color because I was thinking of doing only her hair, but it is not that thick, so we are just adding this little extension inside so that we can achieve the volume on her head. So the only thing you have to do, just part your boxes, and when after it all, I'm just trying to apply the molding gel. Separate this into three portions like this, and then you bring it going down just like this, and then you start braiding. Trust me, when you learn this method, it is going to be a very perfect for you, because I believe it lasts longer than any other method. To those who know how to do it, you can testify. Okay, so now let's continue and see how this is going to look like. And please, if you have any question that you will need to ask me, you can go right in the comment section, tell me, ask me about this hairstyle, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. But because of the way I'm feeling, please let's try to see the video, and I get back to you.
Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. One time, yeah. Hey baby Chana, yeah pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo, basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, follow that. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Balling it like expected, it like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, it like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. touch of a crochet master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good, yeah, yeah. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you.
So guys, like after finishing all, I realized that when I make all these braids like from backwards up to the front, it will become so flexible, and then they start making her uncomfortable. So what I did, I tried to do here the inward cornrows. Yes, and that's still they call it under cornrows. So I do them flat, so that I'm trying to pull the hair goes to go behind, yes, in the way that it is not going to disturb her when she's trying to, like, it is not going to fall in her face. So this is what I tried, I thought of, because if I did the boxes up to the front, yes, they could be falling in her face all the time, and of course, according to her age, she wouldn't want it more of that, because she has already told me that she does not want something that will fall on her face, though she wants to achieve it but not falling in her face. So I decided to bring this, instead of locking, we can do this again, and then we add in our hair extensions so that it does not fall in her face as the way we're going to be seeing.
Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here.
Now, how to do the inward cornrows? It is also very simple, though hard sometimes if you're not patient enough. So you bring your extension like this to hold some hair, then you separate them in two, just like this. So you see how I'm using my thumbnail just like that as we're continuing, but I make sure that is down, like it is flat down. Yes, and this makes it firm. So this is the base E cornrow, like you can always do, and it lasts longer than any other cornrow, trust me. Yes, to those ones who know it still, you can testify. And again, when we're done with this, of course, you can see how I was trying to pull these to go behind in the way that it does not fall in her face to make her uncomfortable. So at the end of it all, this is what I was trying to tell you to do, and trust me guys, this is the best that I had to do for her. Yes, and then to keep it natural, so we just had to add in this extension so that we had to add in the extension, like to correct to add on the volume, because her hair is really it didn't have the volume, so this would help us to add on. I'm really sorry to those one who I believe you can hear how I'm talking, and it's just because of flu, but I guess I had to make this video for you so that you can also learn. So for now, let me sign out, but please, you can rate the video from 1 to 100, I guess, and then again, please don't forget to like the video. May the Lord bless you. I love you so much. Those who are proud and embrace their natural hair. Yes, and since we are doing it this way, we had to keep it natural. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and may the Lord bless you all.
Wetolina chongamba, number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wa pulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi, him a run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Dolina, Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba, Dolina, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, a number one project master, Maurice. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here.